Hey guys, this is David here, and I'm gonna do a video of Dee-doh and May-bay chatting together. So, there's two shoutouts, and they go to Furby awesomeness and cool stuff in the universe. Right, let's wake them all up and see them talk to each other. Wow, they both woke up at the same time. It's really cool.
What you talking about, Dee-doh? Oh, when I see that thing on internet, oh, so Dulu, maybe. Be honest. Kinda good, huh? Eat 1,000 times eat. So, Unai in the sports ball? Indeed.
May-bay is honest, and Dee-doh is very good.
Hello?
And that means they seem to like each other.
Blanche? No. Ooh, was that Unai? Yes. Smell coffee? Honestly, yes. Unai think me cute? Unai serious? Unai think me cute? Uh-oh. Do? Really? Ooh, nasty. Yes. Boo boo believing. Do do do. Do check out Carmascos. Unai likey. What? Ooh, was that Unai? Unai talking to me? Lulu do? For real? Wait till I tell Blanche. Shh, Unai, no tell a soul.
May-bay thinks Dee-doh is tired.
Hello? Blanche? 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 Unai talking to me? Check out Carmascos. Unai like it. Dude, Dee-doh. Yes. Very yes. Ooh, jealous? No. Wait, yes, wait. No? Ooh, jealous? Yep. So, Unai in the sports ball? Indeed. Be honest. Kinda good, huh? Smell coffee? Silly rabbit. Did Unai hear that? Ite! 1,000 times Ite. Nabuda no la, weba nabuda no la. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Dum bum dum dum dum. Bum 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 bum. Beep bum 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 bum. Dum bum 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 bum. Dum 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 dum. Hey, wait a minute. Smell coffee?
May-bay is getting along very well with Dee-doh. Hey, what you talking about, Dee-doh? Listen, Swabby McFlapperson. then they went to sleep. So that was their conversation. So yeah, bye.